Hello. In this video, I want to start to introduce you to the mathematical analysis of circuits, and the backbone of that is Ohm's law. So, Ohm's law says that V equals IR. More specifically, it says that the voltage drop through a particular circuit element in volts is going to be equal to the electrical current moving through that element in amps times the resistance of that element in ohms. So, V stands for voltage, I stands for current, R stands for resistance, and this is the mathematical relationship between the three of them in a circuit. As an example, I'm going to analyze this circuit. I have one battery and one resistor. The battery is going to give energy to a charge. The resistor is going to take the energy away. Let's say that I have a 12-volt battery and a 4-ohm resistor, and I want to know, how much charge is moving through this resistor every second? What's the flow rate of the electricity? What is the current moving through this resistor? So the way that you do that is you use Ohm's law. V equals IR. The voltage equals the current times the resistance of the resistor. So the voltage is going to be 12 volts, because that's the voltage the battery is putting out. The current is what I want to find, and the resistance is 4 ohms. So you rearrange this equation to isolate the current, and you get 12 over 4, which is 3. So the current is 3 amps through this particular circuit. What about this one? Well, I have the resistor on the top instead of on the side, but it doesn't matter, it's the same thing. If this resistor is 5 ohms, and the current through the circuit everywhere is 3 amps, then what's the voltage of the battery? And you can figure that out using Ohm's law once again. V equals IR. Voltage is equal to the current times the resistance. So the current in this case is 3 amps. The resistance in that resistor is 5 ohms. So to figure out the voltage, you just multiply. 3 times 5 is 15 volts. So that's it. I hope it was helpful. I have one more little note actually. So right here I have one battery and then one resistor. If I had other resistors set up, maybe in series or in parallel, I might have to take some other steps to solve these problems. But with one resistor, it's really easy. The voltage of the battery equals the current through the circuit times the resistance of the resistor. And that's it.